Good morning world from the Sofitel here in Manila. Poppy's out for her morning exercise. She obviously still has to be leashed, so we're just running her around this green space on the bay. I have to say this place is quite pet friendly, isn't it?
Yeah.
I thought they might be a bit strict with Poppy, which there's a lot of rules, but we've been able to walk her through the lobby, past the swimming pool, past all the guards and everything, past the sniffer dogs, and nobody said anything about her like not wearing any diapers or anything. Yeah, Poppy has been so well behaved, hasn't she?
Yeah.
And it's Christmas Eve for us filming this video.
It is. I actually forgot that.
We're so
busy focusing on Poppy's run.
Poppy duties. You've been such a good dog, Poppy. So good. I think you're representing all Aspins in the world here. Aspins are allowed at the Sofitel. Really letting Poppy exercise those legs. Story's having lots of fun too. Whee! Having fun? So we have a special Christmas Eve lunch booked at the main restaurant here at the Sofitel. It's meant to be quite special. There's meant to be like a Santa meet and greet and a live band playing music, and Grandad and Lola are here with us, of course. They've already been down and talked to the staff about it. It's meant to be quite special, so we're looking forward to that. That's what we're going to be doing next. We're actually going to try and get in early because there's lots of people staying at the Sofitel right now. It's a very busy time of year, so even with the pre-booking and reservation, there might be queues and stuff. If you're wondering what the noise is and you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, Manila Bay is changing massively. Look at this. They've actually created a completely new beach / island, and they're still building it. So unfortunately it's a bit of a building site out here. Grandad said that the staff were telling him they're not pleased about it because it's kind of taken away some of their exclusivity. They used to have the waves of water lapping up against the rocks here, and now they've got this going on which they have very little control over.
Now I am going to open my last advent calendar haul, and we know Father Christmas is going to be in there because he didn't come out. I only got pitch stuff and a sleigh, a reindeer. I don't know where the reindeer went, but last one we go. And knew it is him. Okay, this is the pack. Let's get building. Sometimes it's quite hard to open these, but no matter. I opened it already. Off we go building already. Where's his head gone? Did his head just... I don't know where his head gone. Head, where are you? Oh, there it is. Oh, it's hard to get. It's hard to get actually. It's like all the way back there. That's a cool beard. Can you see his beard there? Oh no, his head wants to escape. Look, there's his beard, you see that? His hat, it needs opening. That was an unusual open. Father Christmas. Yeah, and my other one, this was supposed to come with him. The last one I opened is for Father Christmas to sit on. That is unstable. There we go, that could be worth it. Bye.
Good for the Philippines. Is it really picture taking
Santa's there, Story.
I know. I'm going to take a picture.
Go then, you can take it now. Oh, very nice. Very good. This is actually quite cool. They've got like a little setup here where the guy takes a picture on his laptop and prints it out for you straight away. And they've got the band playing, which is very nice. The table that we've got reserved in the corner is actually the same table that we're eating Christmas dinner at tomorrow as well. So we're getting familiar with this place now, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Look at Lola. She's ready to eat, look. You get your 8 for 9. This is our lovely little corner here.
Okay, we've sat down for our food. It took a while to walk around everything, didn't it? There's so much to walk about and find, but we actually did manage to find a few vegan options, and they're actually making a pizza for us with no cheese. So I'm going to go back and pick that up in about 10 minutes. But for now we found loads of olives and crudités, bread, hummus, some spring rolls, loads of olives and grapes and salady bits like that. We've got sun-dried tomatoes on there, potato wedges, and in the Indian section we've got a dal and some cauliflower, basmati rice and some paratha. Merry Christmas! The pizza that was made for us was actually really delicious. It's nice that they were able to make us a full pizza as well without cheese. We all enjoyed it. Story actually went to find the balloon man who was making balloon animals for the children.
I have got a flower.
Flower balloon from the balloon man. Excellent.
Yeah, and guess what I said? I got to say, you're good.
Story also enjoyed some dark chocolate dipped strawberries, which was actually the only kind of vegan option for dessert. Oh, nice.
It was taste-tastic.
It was taste-tastic. Story enjoyed it. We're back at the room now, and Story is all ready to go swimming.
Yeah,
And we're going to walk Poppy because they want to come in and clean the room. So we're vacating while they do that. We'll walk Poppy down by the bay again. We're at the pool. Story's already geared up. Look at her. She's like straight in. We've been here 3 seconds.
Yeah. She doesn't need any encouragement.
No, dress is off. In she goes. They give you some pool towels when you arrive, just over there. I'm going to sit here with Poppy and take her back once the room is cleaned.
Yeah.
Alright, Jay's going in. That's the face of someone. Cold water. Oh. Poppy's just gonna watch. Oh. Poppy. Story's actually just going down the slide in the pool. I can just about see her from here. The lifeguard actually just checked her height to make sure she was safe to go down the slide.
Woohoo! Is that fun? Yeah. Okay.
Poppy is keeping watch over Story. She's got her eyes on her. Look, she's sniffing the air to find out where they've gone. She's being a watchdog right now. Me and Poppy are just sitting here, relaxing. We've got quite a quiet spot here, so that's quite nice. Listening to the waterfall. This is pretty much going to be our afternoon. Granddad is on his way down. We really just want Story to have a really fun afternoon now, which is why we're just hanging out by the pool. Hello. Whoa. You going down the slide? Yeah. Hi.
It's one of those days where it just never warms up.
It feels really cold. Story splashed me on the legs and it's like really icy.
Yeah, even when you're underwater the whole time,
Yeah.
you don't warm up.
Story doesn't seem to care though. She's really enjoying it. Dad's with Poppy.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
I was like, actually, I didn't think of that. So is he just looking after her now then?
Yeah.
He's being so good. Yeah, did you think the nose or did it go up? Funny dog, aren't you? Funny little thing. Alright, the day is progressing. We are at the Okada Hotel about to watch the Fountain Light Show. This is meant to be fantastic. I genuinely can't believe how many places Manila has like this, full of shops and restaurants. Fountain display is going to be out there. We just picked up some takeaway snacks.
We're here, you're finally here because it's going to start in 5 minutes now.
I know. We're in position.
There's a little step
Dusky sky. This might be the perfect lighting to see the fountain show. Here we go. This is it. Can you hear the music?
Oh, look!
Whoa, it's beginning story. This is cool. Wow, goes really high. Getting sprayed. Birthday fireworks all over again.
It looks like we went in time again.
Back in time, eh?
We went back in time on my birthday. Wow, you see that one? That's really high. How do they start? How do you light them up with fire?
If you did them, you can do them by hand or you can do them by machine.
How can you do them by hand?
It's like a little rocket. It has like a fuse, like a candle wick. And that is it for today for me. We've had a fantastic little drinking session up in the lounge, which is actually included in the room. So Story is actually with Lola Luz right now. It was really nice, it was really calm, and we managed to find some stuff that was vegan. It was really tasty. Poppy is eating Story's hash brown that we ordered from the coffee bean and tea leaf.
Yeah, Story hated it.
Yeah, she really didn't like the taste, so
We brought it home for Poppy.
she is enjoying that. She's dining the fine life.
It's her Christmas Eve treat.
Yeah. Grandad and Story will be joining us soon for a few more wines. But it's been a really nice night, and we've really enjoyed it. The whole day's been good, actually.
Yeah.
I'm really glad that Story got to go swimming, which has been the highlight for her.
Yeah, she loved it, and the light show was lovely.
I really enjoyed
fountain show. Yeah, that was really fun. Glad we went out for that and saw it at the Okada Hotel. It was really nice. And yeah, we're just gonna have a chilled out evening here. Grandad's gonna come and have another glass of wine with us.
A nightcap.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you are following our journey all the way up to Christmas, check out the playlist at the end, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.